Have you ever wondered how a simple potato transforms into the crispy golden fries we all crave? It all begins in the rich, fertile soils of rural America, where a humble potato takes its first breath in the world. But what does it take to transform this simple crop into the crispy golden French fries we all know and love? Today, we'll follow the journey of a potato from farm to fork, uncovering the fascinating processes, the industry behind it, and the surprising benefits hidden within these crunchy delights. The journey starts with planting. Farmers meticulously prepare the land, ensuring the soil is just right, loose enough for roots to grow deep, but firm enough to support the plants. Specialized machinery plants potato seeds at precise depths and distances, giving each potato the best chance to thrive. As the sun warms the earth, these seeds sprout and grow, drawing nutrients from the soil, turning the field into a sea of green. Modern potato farming is a blend of tradition and technology. Tractors till the land, planters deposit seeds, and irrigation systems ensure each plant receives just the right amount of water. Precision agriculture using GPS and drones helps farmers monitor the health of their crops and optimize their yield. It's a meticulous process, honed over generations, ensuring that when harvest time arrives, the potatoes are plentiful and perfect. The care and attention farmers give to their crops are nothing short of extraordinary. They know that every potato could be destined for greatness. When the time is right, it's harvest season. Specialized harvesting machinery moves through the fields, gently digging up the potatoes and separating them from the soil. These machines work efficiently, gathering tons of potatoes in a matter of hours, minimizing damage to the crops. The potatoes are then loaded onto trucks, ready for the next step in their journey. Each potato harvested represents the culmination of months of hard work and dedication. After harvesting, the potatoes are transported to processing facilities where they undergo several stages of transformation. The next step is washing, where the potatoes are thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Followed by sorting, where potatoes are separated by size and quality, ensuring only the best ones move forward. Once sorted, the potatoes are peeled and cut into the iconic French fry shape. The precision of this process is astounding, with machines slicing each potato into uniform pieces, perfect for frying. Depending on the desired end product, some of these fries are then partially fried in oil, while others are left unfried, ready to be cooked later by consumers or in restaurants. After the cutting and frying stages, the French fries are quickly frozen to lock in their flavor and freshness. The frozen fries are then packed into bags or boxes, ready to be shipped to stores and restaurants worldwide. It's a carefully controlled process that ensures every fry you eat is just as delicious as the last. One of the largest consumers of these French fries is McDonald's, a company synonymous with fast food. McDonald's French fries are famous worldwide, and the demand for them is enormous. In the United States alone, millions of pounds of potatoes are used every year to satisfy this craving. The revenue generated from French fries is a significant part of the fast food industry, contributing billions to the economy annually. The market for French fries in the USA is massive, driven by the fast-paced lifestyle and the love of convenience foods. But it's not just about satisfying taste buds, there are health benefits too. Potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. When eaten in moderation and prepared healthily, French fries can be part of a balanced diet. As we close this journey from field to fork, it's important to remember the people behind the process. From the farmers who nurture the potatoes to the workers in processing plants and the chefs who prepare them, each plays a crucial role in bringing this beloved food to our tables. The next time you enjoy a crispy golden French fry, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there, from a simple seed in the ground to a delicious treat that brings joy to millions. This story is not just about food, it's about the connection between the land, the people, and the final product that brings us all together. Every fry tells a tale of hard work, innovation, and tradition, a tale that's as rich and satisfying as the taste itself. And there you have it. From the rich, fertile soils of rural America to your plate, the journey of a potato to a crispy, golden French fry is as fascinating and intricate as the fries themselves. Next time you savor a fry, remember the meticulous care, innovation, and tradition behind that perfect crunch. Thanks for joining us on this crispy adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the journey of French fries, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting food stories, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy French fries?